classes. Okay. And in which school you are studying? Gokuldas Public School. Yes. Say Gokuldas Public School. And in which class you are studying? Nursery. Very good. And which subject period today? Today is math subject period. And what we will learn? We introduce of number 6 to 10. है ना? हमने इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में नंबर 0 से 5 तक सारे नंबर से इंट्रोडक्शन किया था, है ना? मैंने कहा था ना जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो उनका नाम पूछते हैं. ओके, फर्स्ट वी इंट्रोड्यूस. हम आपस में एक दूसरे को बताते हैं कि माय नेम इज स्मिता महाजन एंड व्हाट्स योर नेम. हम इंट्रोडक्शन करते हैं ना, ऐसे ही हमने पहले नंबर से इंट्रोडक्शन किया. तो हमने 0 से 5 तक के नंबर से इंट्रोडक्शन कर लिया है और आज हम इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे नंबर 6 to 10. आज हम 6 से 10 तक के नंबर्स को देखेंगे, कैसे दिखाई देते हैं, उनसे इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे. विच नंबर यू आर? ओके, आप पूछिएगा. ओके, नाउ यू से फर्स्ट हु आर यू, विच नंबर यू आर. नाउ सी विच नंबर इज दिस. दिस इज नंबर 6. एंड व्हाट he say? I am number 6. I am number 6. आपने इससे पूछा आप कौन से नंबर हो और इसने आपसे क्या कहा? I am number 6. I am number 6. You see properly. This is number 6. This is number 6. Say hello number 6. Hello number 6. Okay. This is number 6. This is number 6. One round and one small round inside it. This is number 6. Put your two fingers and make number 6. Like this. Make number 6. Half round and one small round inside it. This is number 6. Like this. One half round and one small round inside it. This is number 6. What we like this? हम ऐसे फिंगर्स से क्या कर रहे हैं बेटा? This is a air writing, है ना? अभी आपको पेंसिल अच्छे से नहीं आता है चलाना, तो हम एयर राइटिंग कर रहे हैं ताकि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो कि पहले हमें कैसे शेप लेना है, देन कौन सा शेप लेना है उसके बाद में, है ना? सो दिस इज नंबर 6. हाउ टू वी मेक नंबर 6? फर्स्ट वी मेक one half round like this and one small half round inside it. This is number 6. This is number 6. Say this is number 6. Number 6. And then, ooh, see, say who are you? Who are you? Hello. I am number 7. I am number 7. I am number 7. Which number is this? This is number 7. Which number is this? This is number 7. And how to make number 7? One sleeping line and one slanting line make number 7. One sleeping line and one slanting line make number 7. One more time. Slipping line, put up your two finger. Slipping line, slanting line make number 7. Slipping line, slanting line make number 7. This is number 7. Say number 7. Okay. Say bye bye number 7. Bye bye number 7. And then say who are you? circle make me. I am number 8. I am number 8. Which number is this? This is number 8. This is number 8. 2 circles make number 8. 2 circles make number 8. One more time. Put up your 2 fingers and make number 8. 1. Downside, upside and upside. Okay. Don't make number 8 like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. How to make number 8? Like this. First we make letter S, R and join the upper line. This is number 8. This is number 8. Which number is this? This is number 8. Put up your 2 fingers and make number 8. This is number 8. This is number 8. Okay, say bye bye number 8. Bye bye number 8. Okay, now next. Say who are you? Who are you? Hello, I am number 9. I am number 9. See here, I am number 9. One standing line and one half curve make number 9. One standing line and one half curve make number 9. I am number 9. I am number 9. Say hello number 9. Hello number 9. And how to make number 9? One standing line and one half curve make number 9. Okay. One standing line and one half curve make number 9. Say hello number 9. Bye bye number 9. Say bye number 9. Okay. The next number is, say who are you? Who are you? I am number 10. I am number 10. 1, 0, 10. Oh, here 2 numbers are here. 1 and 0 make number 10. These are 0 to 9 single digit number. But the number 10 is double digit number. Okay. Because number 0 बोर हो रहा था ना, और नंबर 1 भी अकेले अकेले बोर हो रहा था, तो इन दोनों ने फ्रेंडशिप कर ली और ये क्या बन गए? नंबर 10. See here, I am number 10. 1 and 0 make number 10. And how to make number 10? First make one standing line and then make a 0. This is number 10. This is number 10. This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now I hope you introduce the numbers properly. Sorry, I hope you introduce the number properly. 6. This is number 6. This is number 7. This is number 7. This is number 8. This is number 8. This is number 9. This is number 9. And this is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. We introduce the numbers. Now we do one activity. We already do the activity. Yes, na? Paste the numbers. है ना? One more time we do this activity also. and you paste the number pair. Okay. Dodging the numbers. First we identify the numbers, okay, and then we paste the numbers. Which number is this? This is number 6. Which number is this? This is number 6. This is number 6. And which number is this? This is number 7. This is number 7. And then which number is this? This is number 8. This is number 8. And which number is this? One standing line and half curve. This is number 9. Which number is this? This is number 9. And then which number is this? This is number 10, 10. Which number is this? This is number 10, 10. Okay. Now first we see dodging the numbers. I have a ball and I put all the numbers inside it. Okay. And mix all the numbers. Okay. Now first one by one we take out the numbers and first we identify the number, then we paste the number in proper pair. है ना, उसे सेम नंबर से हम उसे के साथ पेस्ट करेंगे. Okay. Now you see here. Oh, which number is this? See here. Which number is this? This is number 9. Very good. This is number 9. Where is number 9? See on the board properly. Where is number 9? Where is number 9? This is number 9. No, this is number 6. Paste here. This is number 9. No, this is number 7. So this is number 9. No, these two circles. This is number 8. So where we paste the number 9? This is number 9. Yes, this is number 9 and this is also number 9. Paste the number here. These are same numbers. Number 9 and number 9. One more time we dodging the number. Oh, fast. See here, which number is this? This is number 8. This is number 8. And where is number 8? You see on the board properly. See the board. Where is number 8? This is number 8. No. So this is number 8. No. This is number 8. Yes. 2 circles make number 8. 2 circles make number 8. So we paste the number here. Number 8. Okay. Then one more time. Oh, which number is this? This is number 7? No. This is number 10? No. Which number is this? Oh, very good. This is number 6. Very good. This is number 6. And where we paste the number? See properly. Where we paste the number? We paste the number here number here? No. We paste the number here. This is number 6. Yes. So we paste the number here. 6 and 6. Same number. Okay. Then one more time. Dodging the number. Oh, which number is this? Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, and where is number 10? This is number 10. And where is number 10? You see here. Where is number 10? Where we paste the number 10? We paste the number 10 here. No. We paste the number 10 here because this is number 10. So we paste the same number here. 10, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10. Okay. And our last number is, which number is this? This is number 7. Very good. Where we paste the number? Only single number here. Remaining number 7. We paste the number 7 here. Okay. We paste the number here. Number 7. Okay. One more time. We read all the numbers. Number 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay. Very good. Clap yourself. I hope you introduce number